babes, and welcome back to my channel and this bonus video where I am gonna unbox the Glossy Box of, what is this, July? Yeah, July Glossy Box. It's very pretty. It's got like fishes on it. Happiness, cannot speak. Happiness comes in waves. It is very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm definitely keeping this box. This is the Swedish edition of the Glossy Box. If you didn't know, Glossy Box is a Swedish brand that has branched out into the world. They are available in several different countries. This is not sponsored. I do get Glossy Boxes for free. I think this is my last. Something is clocking in here. Some kind of liquid. I do get Glossy Boxes for free, but I think that this is my last free Glossy Box that I'm getting. But it's not sponsored. I don't have to do anything with it. I mean, they're hoping I'll do something with it, but I don't have to. In Sweden, you also get a magazine with Glossy Box, and this month it is a beautiful model on there. Sometimes they have celebrities on. But yeah, so this is the Swedish Glossy Box, but maybe it could still be fun to watch a Swedish Glossy Box unboxing even if you are not from Sweden. Glossy Box is available, like I said, in several different countries, like US for instance. And Glossy Box Sweden has given me a code, so if you want to get to, I don't know how many % off a box, if you sign up for Swedish Glossy Box, I will leave that down below. It is not affiliated. I do not make any money out of that code or this video. I just like surprises. I like surprises, and that's why I do this kind of a bonus video, because I noticed that a lot of people enjoy unboxings and looking at other people do unboxings, and a lot of people feel like they're tired of them. So that's why I felt like for me it was better to have them as a bonus video, because it's not that hard actually. Okay, unboxing videos are the easiest videos to film and the easiest videos to edit. So this is, like I said, the Glossy Box July. Let's just open. This is so heavy, by the way. This is the heaviest box so far. When I took this out of the mailbox, I was like, wow, it's so heavy. It's so pretty on the inside as well. Like, oh, I'm keeping this box for sure. Okay, this box is called Under the Sea. I used to work as a waitress. I'm really good at this. Under the Sea, djupdyk ner i vårt hav av skönhet. Let's do a deep dive into this sea of beauty. Nu ska vi se här. Den här månaden inspireras vi av den mystiska världen nere på botten och upptäcker några riktiga guldkorn bland havets skatter. What? This month we are being inspired by the mystical world on the bottom of the sea, and we have discovered some amazing things amongst the treasures of the sea. Get something that's good for you if you are on the beach or if you are at work. Stay glossy, and in Sweden we say swim, like you would say just keep swimming, but we just say swim calmly. That's like a Swedish saying. So it says stay glossy och simma lugnt. So this is what the box looks like. Let's take off the bow and let's open this little sticker and let's see what we got. So heavy. Ooh, what is this? Okay. This is a fully packed box. Okay, let's see what we get. In Glossy Box, you will get 5 items every month and sometimes a bonus item. All of them are either deluxe sizes or full sizes, but I have noticed that most of them are full sizes, to be honest. Except when they include like a perfume sample, which I think that should be a bonus thing. The first thing that I see here is the pen, lash, and eyebrow color. This is great. This is from Depend, giving you a set to like color your lashes or eyebrows. This is cool. Takes a couple of minutes and will last you for up to 6 weeks. This is something great to include here. This is the dark color. It is called brown black. Depend is a company that we have a lot of here in Sweden. Do you have it somewhere else as well? They have like nail polishes and false lashes and stuff like this. I think that this is a cool thing. I might try that, although I'm scared. This is the Nyqvist double effect makeup remover. I love these kind of makeup removers that you mix like this. They're like the oil and the water alcohol solution. Is it alcohol? Gentle eye makeup remover, special for waterproof and long lasting. Oh, I like that. No, there's no alcohol in this, of course. I'm stupid. Or maybe? I don't know. well, it's some kind of water solution and some kind of oil solution, and then you mix it and you put it on like a cotton pad and you take off your makeup and then you wash your face, and then I usually go in with micellar water afterwards. I love makeup removers like this. They usually take off everything, which I need because I pretty much pack it on. This is the, I'm guessing this is a deluxe sample. This is the Senhor du Bon Femme. I've never heard of that brand. Seawater hairspray. Ooh, I love that. I love seawater, like the hairspray with seawater. And such a small little size. This is perfect if you're actually going like away and you wanna... Oh, this smells so nice. This smells fresh. This smells like a nice soap or like a nice shampoo. That's what it smells like. Brilliant Smile Whitening Boost Toothpaste. Intensive toothpaste that whitens your teeth without damaging abrasives. Use twice daily for a minimum of 2 weeks. Huh. I cannot really bleach my... I wish I could bleach my teeth. Like, if I could get veneers, I would, because this one is a fake tooth. It's like drilled up to my cheekbone because I didn't get this tooth. I didn't get that here, so I'm missing a teeth, so they put one in. That's why I can't bleach my teeth, but I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend. Maybe he wants to try it, or maybe a friend wants to try it, but I can't use anything that bleaches on my teeth because it's gonna bleach my teeth, but it's not gonna bleach this one that's a fake tooth, so it's gonna look very weird. I don't hate my smile, but if I could, I would love to bleach it, but I can't. This is from Mina, which is a brand that I've seen around, but I haven't... I think it's a Spanish brand, but I haven't seen it like used by anyone that I really watch. Or have I? Shadow paint. This is a beautiful... This looks like one of those little oil colors, you know, like the painter's colors. How do you open this? This one won't open. Oh, okay. I love the packaging. Awesome job on the packaging, Mina. It's amazing. And this one is a blue, and I love a blue. Cream eyeshadow. Okay, I can get down with this. Okay. This is like a, what I would call a storm cloud blue. I'm not really sure about the consistency. It's almost like it's a bit watery. Like, I'm not sure how... I would have loved for this to be more... I mean, it is easy to blend out, so with another color than a blue, this would have been amazing to blend out on your lid. But maybe if you want an easy smoky eye, I guess this could be nice, and then just blend some blue over. That's probably nice. Like, the best way to get a really smoky eye is to have a cream color that is dark underneath your shadow. That is the best way. That's probably how I'm gonna try and use this as well. It was a bit thin. I personally prefer when they are not as thin, but the color is beautiful, and when it just came out, it was a beautiful color. Like this color. This is beautiful. I wonder if it dries down like that. I have color everywhere now. I need some paper. And then I got this heavy thing, and this is an extra. This is the... Is this a drink? And this has Chinese signs. Okay, wait. Herbal drink. Okay. Green tea and vitamin E. Wait, what is this? Blueberry and birch. Birch? Okay. How do you open this? I don't know. It smells like one of those teas that are left for last, like when it's the only tea flavor you have left and you have to take that one. This is one of those like healthy things, and I'm not about that healthy like lifestyle. I just think it doesn't taste like good. It's not bad, but I wouldn't pick it up. But if you're into an antioxidant, active herbs, I don't know, maybe you're into that stuff. I'm clearly not. I thought it was So yeah, those are the products that I got in my Glossy Box this month. Let me know if you are subscribing to any of these kind of monthly boxes and what did you get. I'd love to have a discussion with you down in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave because I do upload quite a lot of videos. There's going to be a new makeup releases going on the wishlist or not tomorrow, and I will see you then. Bye!